What up, guys? We're at Jones Subwoofer Solutions. Got a Skar on the amp dyno today. This is the Skar SK-M5001D. It's rated 500 watts at 1 ohm, 380 watts at 2 ohms, 238 watts at 4 ohms. It's a little guy. There's my hand next to it, about the size of my hand, about the size of a tablet. There you go. We'll start with certified runs as usual. Got it all queued up. And we'll start with the 1 ohm run. Starting at 14.5 volts. And we got 544 watts. Easily did rated and passed it. Dropped to 14.3. Do that again at 2 ohms. See if it does rated at 2. $397 watts, dropped to 14.4 volts. Did rate it again. Let's see what it does at 4 ohms. There you go, 240 watts at 4 ohms. This amp's looking good so far. And we'll go and do some uncertified runs now. Uncertified. 1 ohm. See if we get any more out of it. Over 600 watts. Got 613 watts. Dropped to 14.2 volts. Pretty good results here. Do 2 ohms. Wow, over 400 watts at 2 ohms. That's crazy. Let's see what it does at 4 ohms. $249 watts. And we'll give it the dynamic runs now. And we'll start at 1 ohm. All right, 1 ohm dynamic. $642 watts, 1 ohm. Try 2 ohms. All right, 423 watts, 2 ohms, dropped to 14.4 volts. And one more, we'll do a 4 ohm dynamic run. $250 watts, dropped to 14.5 volts. So there you go, guys. The Skar SK-M5001D. Again, just a little guy. Did rate it and more. It's a really nice amp. Let me know what you guys think.